Tony Rose, face to the camera. Yan. Very good. Loud your voice. Loud your voice. What happened to you? Tony Rose. Loud your voice. Wow, very good. Do you know how to sing Tagalog songs? See the camera over here. The camera.
But I can't see it like that.
Hello. Hello. Ito si this one is Tony Rose. How old are you, Tony Rose? 5.